Okay, good day everybody. I'm Courtney. I'm going to be the driver of the session. I'm here with my navigator, Ethan. So today we'll be doing chapters 20 and 21, our login component. So let's go to our login component. Again, all your imports. Then we have our const name, set name, and use state. This is a state for storing username inputs, and our set ID is a state for storing the ID inputs. Then we have our handler for username input change, and then our handler for ID input change. When called, the user clicks submit button, calls login function passed in props with user details, and redirects to the home page after login. And then we have our login form and our username field, ID field, and your submit button. So just something quick and simple to understand. I think chapter 21 is on the add review. Did I just go over this? Can't remember now. No. Yeah, so chapter 21 is adding and editing reviews. So again, imports. And now we're going to check if the user came to edit an existing review by looking in the location state. If editing pre-fill the review text, React state for the review text, track whether the review has been submitted, update state when user types in review box, save the review, or either create a new review or update existing. This is to get movie ID directly from URL. If editing, include review ID to update the existing review. Otherwise, create a new review. Or use a ternary show success message if submitted. I'll show the form. And then edit review or create review label. So yeah, that is it. So now I'm going to show you what we did to that as a little side task from our teacher. So we created a greetings banner or greeting banner.js. Simple, very simple. You know, it's just to like greet you with your username when you come in, and some CSS. So I'm just going to run my back end real quick and my front end to show you what I've done and how I have made it all CSS and nice and added a bunch of stuff. So let's get into it. Let's just wait for it to start up. It takes a while. Okay, so this is your home page. Now we can go to log in. Now we need a username, so I'm just gonna go with my nickname. That's not how my nickname is supposed to look. Okay, there we go. Enter your ID field, submit. Okay, so now you can see there's obviously your logout user. Let's go to view reviews. Okay, I should not be able to edit that. Hold on, let me change. It's very weird. Okay. Okay, so apparently if you have the same password but a different username, you can still log into somebody else's account. That is very interesting. So here you can see, you know, we've got reviews. So basically I created this little container that's separate from this, right? So obviously now you have your description of it. And now our reviews are in a nice little container. So I can go add review, and there it says welcome court. So I can create a review saying cool, submit, back to movie. And apparently it stays there. So yeah, now obviously I can delete this, remove that, submit, back to movie, or just delete. Yeah, so that's what our front end looks like so far. You can search by title, click on all ratings. Yeah, thank you.